Now we are going to check the demo for bird species classification project demo. So here we have used VGG16 CNN algorithm, VGG16 architecture we have used, and the data set we have taken is train data set contain 325 birds species birds, and then test data also 325 and validation data set. So this is for training the algorithm, and the results will be saved in this folder. And for 14 epoch we are getting this accuracy, and for 2 epoch we are getting this accuracy, and this is the predicted result will be stored in this folder, and the trained model will be stored here. And I am going to execute the project. So the training time will take much more time, so let me execute the prediction algorithm prediction only. So as the training will take lot of time, I am not showing here. So I am going to test the image. So in any data in the data set I can take any image. So I am taking this African firefinch bird type, and I am clicking the prediction button. So the VGG16 layer architecture is activated for the detection, and it is running. So it is predicted African firefinch. Also we have taken another 4 test samples from the data set, and those 4 classification results is also shown in the demo. So this is the 4 bird species images. So original and what is the predicted, that will be saved. So when we see in this thing we can get clarity. So Cuban toady is the real class, predicted class, and real class, predicted class for all the birds are shown. So, thank you.